hate these grates. I never can get all the stuff out of them. Never can get it.
Did I hear a cleaner in distress? Hi, young lady. You need a backpack vacuum. Hey guys, welcome to this episode of How Do I Clean. Here I want to show you a little pain in the butt when you're cleaning. When you look at, when you're cleaning commercial jobs, a lot of times you need to clean these elevators. What do we call these, Jess?
We call them grates.
Grates.
I don't know if that's the right word.
And really, these aren't that bad. You can see some over here, but it's a pain in the butt to get. But I want to show you how your backpack vacuum can help you out. All right, I've got my NaceCare backpack vacuum here, and one of the little tricks you can do with it, of course, it works great. You know, you've seen it probably in some other videos. So one of the things I like to do with it, first of all, I'm stuck in the door here. This is world-class video, Jess. One of the things I like to do with it is I pull this off, and I've got my wand, and these wands are great tools for that grate. Come on in close, let's show you sucking the grate.
Those leaves.
Get in close to it, you ready? All right.
Ooh.
Look at that baby clean. Up here. Get in close, get in close.
Uh-oh. That one's really... Oh, there you got it.
How about that?
Awesome.
You see that? I love these backpack vacuums because there's so many unexpected finds that you can do with it. Take a look at this. There's these cracks in here. And, you know, when you're sweeping or whatever, it's sometimes hard to get it. Again, the backpack vacuum, use that one. And it just helps get it out. So, if there's some hair in this corner, let's get it. Actually, I'm going to use the other tool. You know, I bet you're saying to yourself, aren't you going to scratch the floors? Because these things are good for hardwood floors. So it's got a great thing on the end of it where you can switch. So this is the carpet mode. See the little tool here? And then when you do that,
Some hard surface.
some little fur or something comes out. And then that's what I use to glide.
The brush, you mean, comes out.
The brush, yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm a big fan of the backpack vacuum. If you want to buy a NaceCare like I have, or go to the description section of this webpage. All right, guys, happy cleaning, and we'll see you next time on How Do I Clean?